Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my vlog channel, Please Excuse My Brilliance. I post new videos once a week on Fridays. We experience a lot of cool shiz, which I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Please Excuse My Brilliance. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side.
You might have to just sit down on your stool, just so we don't pop it off.
Yeah. And then, because if it pops off, I'm about to pop off.
It can't be the only thing popping off here.
Yeah. If it pops off, I'm popping off. Automatic. Automatic pop-offs. You know, I almost asked you, before I decided to do this, I almost asked you to put this together like a month ago when it first came.
Ooh. It would have been, I couldn't do it. This is bigger than I am.
Which is now here. So I think these stakes are to keep it in the yard, but I don't have a yard, so I just have to put those flaps on. No, it has to go.
No?
I don't like how these, show the white. I want to reverse them.
Oh, because they have ends on them?
Yeah, so front ways is fine, but with this way should be that way so you don't see the white too, right? Like that looks tacky. It should be able to go like this, but it doesn't appear to go on. I have to like force it in a way that doesn't look, it's not right. It's not right. Now it's stuck.
You should go and try and go inside it.
Oh, no, I don't stuck in there. That's why I don't think I can get it. And I would tell you. I had to buy this one because Nikiita, she chews up the old one had like hangovers that like the roof line hung over, and Nikiita chews up stuff like that. So I needed something that didn't have a lot of overhang. So she can't chew up this. She can't really chew up this. She doesn't care. Nikiita, come on. Chew. Good girl, 3. 3.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Yay, we recorded some shit.